get to try it out.
Boating. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna go fishing tomorrow. See ya. We're gonna start the vlog in a bit. Yeah, woo! Hey vlog. It's hot and it's no reaction. And they're even eating Doritos when it's so hot. They're eating Doritos when it's so hot. That's crazy. My food. Oh my god, it's hot. Yeah. And let's eat one. I can't believe it. But we'll eat it. What? I can't believe this.
Okay, so like I said, we are out on the Okanagan Lake today to try out this boat that we bought. The Meateater is still broken. Rick did get a new engine that he's going to put into it, so thank goodness, and then it'll be fixed. But in the meantime...
We'll vlog the engine rebuild.
Oh, he's going to vlog the engine rebuild. Cool. So in the meantime, Rick found this great opportunity. If anyone watched some of our shorts, we did do a short in a boat. It was a small boat that we actually had given to us from somebody. So Rick went and picked that boat up, got it all cleaned up, fixed up, sold it after our maiden voyage in it. And the money from that boat we used to buy this boat for $4,500. So
This boat will double our money.
And the plan with this boat is to double our money. Here in BC, you can usually sell these boats for around 10 grand, so we're gonna try. It wasn't running properly. It had a whole bunch of engine work that had to be done, so Rick did all the engine work, got it running. We were out here today and it didn't want to go full throttle. It only went half throttle, so he beat on the engine a little bit and off we went. So you guys got to see that. And while we're out here, we want to do some fishing.
I want this fish.
Try that one? Okay, I'm cool with trying that one first.
Cause then I can get a lot of fish.
Yeah, I'm cool with trying that one first.
Ready. Whatever you want.
Big belly.
This one first?
Yeah. No, this one.
Okay.
How do you launch it?
So we also got some great new tackle from Attitude Tackle here in Vernon. We got some little fishies and we got some glow-in-the-dark lures. She does all of these herself. She makes them herself. So I figured, well, we'll support a local woman fisherman and try out some of her gear. So we're gonna do a test run with gear that's not brand new first, because I don't want to lose my new stuff. But shout out to Attitude Tackle here in Vernon. This one is specifically for catching kokanee or trout, and that's what's in this lake. So we got to get down to the bottom.
Yeah, he's got on the other side,
and
over it.
Hopefully get a fish.
Oh,
we're already snagged, yeah.
So this is mine. This is my little
He looks pretty
shot.
shiny, so he might get some attention down there.
This is my little shot. I get the fish if I catch any
and this
fish.
one, if we catch a fish, this one's Richie's supper.
Richie will cook it on that beach over there. That's the beach that we always go to and hang out when we go boating, but there's somebody there right now. So we gotta wait for them to leave.
Or we
They
can
need to
just
leave
hang
while
out
we're
with
fishing.
them.
Okay, so yeah, they said just get it down there as far as you can. The fish that we want are at the bottom, so let it go down.
There. I'll do it. There. So this is where. Here we go. Go.
Yeah, so you can stick it in those thingies.
That's what those are.
Now we can get our other rod going. Some action. The tip is bending.
I get my supper. Yeah, you have fun cooking it.
It is, it's not fighting me. Oh, it's seaweed. We hit the bottom. We've got seaweed. Look, we've got a whole bunch of seaweed.
I guess see you later till we find another one.
Zayne threw the vlog in the water. We managed to get over here to it, and now I have to jump in the water to get it.
And
We
we're
have
blowing
no other
away,
way
so
to
hurry
get
up.
it. Okay.
Mom, don't you move.
And the water's freezing.
Mom, let's do this.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, leave my sunglasses here so I don't lose them.
Well, I'm going to start this boat and come back at you.
Okay, here we go.
Oh! How's it feel? Bye! Bye, Mom!
I'm going to start this boat up, smile and catch up to us.
Yeah, if we bump into, then she will fall. Thank you!
I got it! I got it! I got it! Okay, I gotta swim back! It's so cold! I got it! I got it!
Go look at Trevor!
Swim back! It's so cold!
Hurry up, the wind's blowing us.
I'm coming! Okay, I need 2 hands to swim. I need 2 hands. There's a boat. There's a boat. And the sea-doo. Okay, they're far enough away. They're not going to get me. Oh my God. This swim is taking forever. Okay, I'm almost there. I almost made it. Oh, lake water's going in my mouth. I almost made it. Oh, okay. I need to take a legit break. Okay. Whew. No, I'm good. Look at this Okanagan beautifulness. Best place in the world to live. Look at all this beautifulness. Look at all those chickens sitting in the boat, too afraid to go in the lake. Look at all those lake chickens. Buck, 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 buck. Look at all those lake chickens over there. Buck, 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 buck. Okay, so we keep having engine troubles with our boat too, which sucks. So I wanted to do some fishing and we need to go over to that beach over there and eat. So we're gonna go and eat first, and then we're gonna go and fish on the way home. Look at the sun up there behind a cloud. Look at that cloud, it looks like a bird. It looks like a giant eagle flying underneath the sun, or a giant dove. Oh my God, we're getting further away. Okay, I gotta get back on the boat.
This is my mom's exercise of the day. Right, Mom?
Okay, I gotta swim differently here.
Swim on your back.
I feel like I'm gonna drown.
Well, this is your exercise. Have fun.
How close am I?
Almost.
I was getting closer. Persevere!
You're going to pass us.
Persevere!
Turn.
I will make it.
You're going sideways.
I'm gonna drown myself.
Don't drown.
I'm getting closer.
The lifeboat's not fine if you fall down there.
I am getting closer. How am I gonna get on the boat?
Stand on the motor, climb on the platform.
No ladder.
Cause there's no ladder.
Oh my god.
I know someone I jumped in. And look, I still made it up without
I'm
dying.
here. I'm here.
No, you're
Please, wind, don't blow again.
Wind blow again.
Okay.
Monday to get her exercise.
Don't win.
I already burned more calories than I ate or drank today.
Well, at least you caught back up.
See?
At least you caught up to us.
Yeah.
I gotta exercise.
Mom, why did you get up to
Thank
put
God.
your dog?
Okay. I'm gonna hand you the vlog so you can put it somewhere safe.
My exercise is done.
Yeah.
See you later.
Okay. Okay, we made it to the boat. I'm gonna hand you off. You're not allowed to hang it on the back of the boat anymore because you got thrown off by Zayne. So from now on, we gotta put you somewhere safe.
Get up, Mom. Get up, Mom. Oh,
I made it.
Sorry, give me vlog. Give me vlog.
So nice? Oh, not that nice.
It was a little bit of torture, and then nice, and then a little bit of torture, then nice again.
Oh wow. And your eyes are pink.
Yeah?
And your face is pink.
Okay, so our engine keeps giving us problems, so we might just be heading home. Rick's trying to fix it, but it doesn't want to fix. It's idling super high. It doesn't want to idle down, we don't know why. So once again, our boat bad luck continues, and we're just gonna go home because the engine does not want to operate the way it's supposed to.
It doesn't want to idle down. It wants to go full speed.
It wants to go full speed, so
Give me a vlog. Got the vlog.
Go ahead. No. I'll bring it outside.
where's my phone out there?
The man is
We already lost the GoPro. I had to get it.
This
so.
is Dad's phone.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Dad box your
Put it this
phone.
way. If you lose it overboard, it's Mom's phone. It's my phone's home.
Yeah, Mom. Daddy.
Okay, so when we get home, we're gonna have a fire and cook our hot dogs and eat our food in the backyard because we're all super hungry.
And we got a pile of shit burning on it.
And we have a pile of stuff we need to burn. Everyone had a fun trip in the boat though?
Yeah.
Yes? It was enjoyable. The lake was nice once you get in there and swim around.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
I wanted to keep this boat until today.
Well, I think no matter what, the other one's going to give us problems too, so
Just my piano boat.
like, no matter what, it's going to continue to give us problems.
That was your engine. All they were saving
We'll
is-
see. That's all it comes down to is we'll see.
Yeah, well, we'll keep this one, the other one's done. Whichever one gives us less problems, we'll keep.
I think we should just sell them both. Get a better boat,
Yeah.
right? Sell them both. Sell them both. Sell them both and get a big pontoon boat or a bigger Sea Ray. We'll see. You guys will be the first to know.
I understand because I might glad it out at school.
Oh yeah, we'll tell everybody. We'll tell all our friends first. It was a nice trip though, hey?
I was hoping this thing was going to work better.
Well, I think once you work the kinks out, then it'll work just fine.
Honestly, I wanted to keep this boat. I like the upstairs. I like this boat. We both watched it yesterday, like sizes it up, looking at the lines and the curves and the boat itself. This is a nice boat.
It is a nice boat, but I think it's nicer for someone else, and we get something else that's more practical for us.
This is practical for us. It'll work properly.
Not when there's no space out there. Where's the
Oh.
sun tanning spot?
Oh,
Where's the sun tanning spot?
No.
There's not enough room up there to sun tan.
there it is.
Look at it. We'll see. We'll see. I want a different boat.
I want a brand new boat.
And this one doesn't have a canopy on the back either, so that sucks.
No, I see one that's doing $150. know somebody must go and sell them like woodwork.
Okay, well, let's get home for some hot dogs and a fire. Hot dogs and smokies in the fire pit.
On the windows, please.
No, it's nice. It's refreshing. Go down there in the hot box down there if it's too cold.
Yeah, close the door. What hot box?
Down there.
Yeah, in the hot box.
Go too fast. It overheated earlier. What's the temperature at?
100. I was going to see if I work the carburetor free. Open it up.
My God. I should grab that life jacket out there. I gotta get that life jacket. Before we lose it. Okay. I got it. Oh! I feel like I'm gonna fall overboard out there. That's another thing I don't like. When you're out there, it feels like you're gonna fall overboard. I want a nice deep boat. Woo! If anyone wants to buy a boat, once we get the kinks worked out in this one, it's good to go. It obviously runs good. Just wish it ran good all the time. We'll get it figured out. Woo! Oh my goodness, I can't believe you're walking on this dock. Does it feel wobbly? Ah, here, hold Mama's hand. You don't got no life jacket. Woo! Woo! Walking on the dock. Okay, there you go. Mommy, follow you. Okay, here. Here. So we made it home and we're making some smokies and hot dogs on the fire. Everyone's got their hot dogs. Having a good munchy wunchy. And we have some yummy cupcakes. This is all stuff that I bought for the beach that we didn't get to have. Yummy cupcakes, strawberries, candies, whiny Zayne.
Wait, we bought Zayne?
There's the candies. No more grumpy baby. Is it yummy? They're sour.
I want
Aww. Poor little baby doesn't have any manners, so she can't get any.
Please.
Oh, she's remembered.
They're tiny.
There you go. There's the man.
So bad luck with the boat, but that's not unusual. Hopefully we have good luck next time we go out.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm going to find a little bit more.
Yeah, needs a little bit more work.
I went from having full throttle to I can't turn the throttle off. Complete opposite. Without doing a thing. And without touching the thing, I went from having not full throttle to full throttle all the time.
Yeah, that boat's messed up.
Yeah, and Dad has a cut on his pinky.
Yeah, he cut his pinky, yeah.
Cut my pinky, burn my thumb, burn my finger, burn my other finger, and my other thumb on my other hand. Oh, I got this one's burnt. That one's burnt. And this hand, that one's burnt. That one's burnt. That one's burnt. That one's, I'm pretty sure it's a 3rd degree burn. It's right to the meat.
Ow.
That one was the baby. I burnt a lot, that's that. No, it wasn't fire, it was the overheated engine.
So we're out here trying to burn a whole bunch of the stuff that we have from cutting the branch off the tree. So we're burning lots. Look at that smoky. Yum, extra cheese inside. How's cupcake?
Yeah.
Yeah, yummy. Let's try one of these. Look at them. I think I'm gonna have a chocolate one. Look at the sprinkles. They're little maple leaves.
Wait,
Cool.
where'd you get them from?
I buy them. It's yummy.
No, Bible probably thinks it's Canada Day soon.
It's Canada Day in 1 week.
For real?
Uh-huh.
That's why they done that. Wow.
That is definitely why they did that.
I am smart.
So the kids wanted to finish their vlog with riding their tiny electric dirt bike that we just bought yesterday. For fun.
Yeah.
So we're out here behind the house and Amelia's riding it.
Whoa, whoa.
Do you want to put this thing on it while you're riding?
How do you do it? Do it!
I slipped!
Are you okay?
I slipped right there. In that dirt there. I slipped on the edge. Look at it, there's my footprint. Okay, I'm good. Okay. Anytime we try to get some type of recording while we're on electric things, someone falls and hurts themselves.
He fell.
Standing up.
Hi. Hi. Video's gonna end in a bit. Bye. This is the last time you're gonna see me. Bye. I'm coming for you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.